Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to build a complete web app using this tool called Base44. I've also created tutorials on this channel showing how to use Lovable, bolt.new, Replit, and another one called Emergent. These are all AI coding tools to create web apps for you without writing a single line of code. And I just discovered Base44, so I decided why not create a tutorial about this one as well to see what it's capable of. Obviously, you can scroll through the website, link in the description below, where you can create your free account. And they also offer paid plans as well, starting at around $20 per month. But the free plan includes 25 message credits per month and 100 integration credits per month. So we're just going to get started on free. And in this particular case, I want to build a replica of ChatGPT, just like I've done in some of my other tutorials. So in order to do that, I've just created the prompt using ChatGPT. I've said, create a prompt to build a web app which emulates ChatGPT in Base44. So here's the entire prompt. I'm just going to copy and paste this into Base44. And the nice thing about doing it this way is that we will have an MVP, minimal viable product, which looks very similar to ChatGPT. I highly recommend using ChatGPT to come up with a prompt and then putting it into your no-code app software. And they also have examples here that you can use as well, such as a networking app, onboarding portal, reporting dashboard, gaming platform. Those don't sound too interesting to me, so I'm just going to create this. And in order to do so, all I have to do is click on this button. I've already created my free account using Gmail. And now it's just going to create the entire app. We'll see how long this takes. I'm going to pause this and then come back once it's finished. Okay, so here we are. After about 10 minutes of building the app, it came up with this web app right here. It's called Welcome to AI Chat, Start a Conversation, and Get Intelligent Responses Powered by Advanced AI. So this is looking pretty good right off the bat. If I want to preview this, I can just click on Preview. And we're already in preview mode. I can also preview on mobile, desktop, or whatever. So I'm just going to type in a message here, hello, and it should respond in a similar format to ChatGPT. There we go. I really like the design of this. It looks great. It actually looks better than some of the other no-code software solutions that I've used. So now if we want to integrate this in with ChatGPT, I can just issue it a prompt over here and say, please integrate this with ChatGPT API, right? And then it will most likely ask for my API key, and then I can connect it up to ChatGPT. So it's just going to think for a little bit here and ask for the key. I can input that, and then it will be connected. So here we go. I understand you like to use ChatGPT API directly. However, the Base44 platform doesn't currently have a built-in OpenAI integration available. So now it's asking me to upgrade my plan. So in order to do that, looks like I will need to upgrade. And it also says I'm already out of daily credits on the free plan, so I need to upgrade to premium. That's the downside of using Base44. It looks like you only have a very limited number of credits to start. So I built the app, and then in order to upgrade, you just need to come over here, and then you can get started for $16 a month. So if I did want to do that, I could obviously upgrade this, but honestly, it's better just to use Replit or Lovable. Lovable is another excellent option. It just creates fantastic looking apps. And while we're at it, I'm actually just going to log into my account here on Lovable. And I share a lot of this stuff inside my school community over here as well. So you're welcome to join. It's completely free for now anyway. I may start charging for it. But we've got about 1,000 members in here at the time of recording. And then inside the classroom, you can see I offer step-by-step tutorials, which are already available for free on my YouTube channel. So they're also free in the community. Also courses, templates, and I offer AI strategy calls and a 6-week coaching program as well, if you guys are interested. But yeah, let's come over here to Lovable. I can show you, this is actually how I built my website, which is just automogic.com. I built the entire thing within Lovable. It took about 8 hours using Lovable. So it's a beautiful design. And this also, I can deploy it using Lovable as well. You do have to upgrade, which is $25 per month. And it looks like I'm currently on the free plan. So I was on the pro plan, but I downgraded to free for now. And yeah, so you can build an entire app using no code AI tools. You don't have to write a single line of code. So this is eventually going to replace software developers, I think, moving forward, or it's just going to make their workflow even more powerful if you can learn how to use these tools. So there's no excuses anymore not to be building web apps for your business. You can offer software as a service solutions. You can basically just build one of these using an AI no code tool like Replit or Lovable. And that's a software as a service platform that you can deploy and then just start sending traffic to and start making money right away. Again, you don't have to write a single line of code. So unfortunately, this one is not very useful. I was intending on making a full tutorial showing how to build out ChatGPT replica using Base44, but looks like I will need to upgrade. And to be honest, I don't really want to use this platform. I'd much rather use something slightly more powerful like Replit or Lovable. And then there's also another one called Emergent as well, which is very, very good. I've also made a tutorial about that on my channel as well if you want to check it out. And then you just pay anywhere from about $20 to $25 a month. You can select how many credits you want per month as well. Similar to Base44 over here, if I want to upgrade, this says unlimited number of apps, and that's only $16 a month. So it may be worth doing. That includes 100 monthly credits. I'm not exactly sure how much that allows you to build within the platform. But if you do want to subscribe, you can just get started, and you can either do monthly or yearly and then continue to check out. It also shows here what's included in the free plan. It gives you a daily allowance of 5 messages and a monthly cap of 25 messages total. You also get 100 integration credits to experiment with various integrations like authentication database and analytics. There's another one called bolt.new as well, which is also very powerful. So you can basically just get started building something right away using bolt.new. Works great, and it's completely free to start. And they have obviously paid plans over here as well, starting at about $25 per month. Great option, and that gives you 10 million tokens per month. So, and it includes SEO boosting, custom domain support, website hosting. So yeah, there's really no excuses not to be learning these skills. It saves a lot of time for your business, and then also saves you money so that you don't have to hire developers or virtual assistants somewhere. You can just build everything yourself. All you have to do is come up with your, basically startup idea, build the software as a service or web app or whatever you want, and deploy it and start sending traffic and charge a monthly fee. Similar to school over here, you can just charge monthly fees. My community is currently free once again. So if you want to join, ask your questions in here, and then you get access to the classroom as well. So with that being said, thanks so much for watching. I'm going to sign off. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand. I will see you in the next video tutorial.